Hello, hi everybody. Nightfall Wolf 26 here, and look what we have here. Look, Amber, someone has chewed up my Spirithoods hanger that I used to hang up my Spirithoods. And this was it. You can see here it's all ripped and it's torn. And here's pieces of it all over my bed. Ripped and torn apart. And look at this. This is a piece of duct tape. And it is chewed. Completely chewed. Look at that. It's all bitten up. And who did this devious little crime? This little girl right here. Did you do this? Did you chew this? Did you chew this? Look at me, Amber. Did you chew this? Did you destroy this? Look what you did. You completely destroyed my Spirithoods hanger. You bad girl. Oh my god. I came home from work and this is what I found. All torn up, all ripped up. And then I found this duct tape like this. Ugh, she just gets to my stuff and she just tears it up. My god. What am I going to do with you? You bad dog, Amber. You very bad dog. Bad girl. Very bad girl. Although it's not completely her fault. But she just gets to my stuff and she chews it. She got to this and she chewed it. She got to this and she chewed it. So I'm just gonna have to dog proof my room and put up all the stuff. Because she can tear some stuff apart. Like I said, people, one Siberian Husky, you're going to have to deal with this. Yes, you are. And this is how, remember when I told you, all you guys, that a Siberian Husky tests your patience? This is what I'm talking about. This is how they test you. You know, they chew up your things. They chew up everything. They destroy everything, and that coat hanger is gone. This duct tape will survive, but this coat hanger is gone. Rest in peace, Spirithoods hanger. Rest in peace. Destroyed by yours truly, Amber. Amber, what do you have to say for yourself? You destroyed this. You killed it. You murder. You need to go to Siberian Husky jail for the crime of killing a Korak. I'm just kidding, everybody. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe. And as always, may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. And rest in peace, Spirithoods hanger. Rest in peace. Alright, bye.